Have you ever decided that you wanted to get healthier and fitter? Did you start your journey by buying a gym membership? I thought so. You might have also seen hundreds of YouTube tutorial videos. However, the results you get weren't as expected. You just made a tiny progress. But why did that happen? Did you check if you're doing everything correctly? Only some tweaks can make a big difference. Before we get to it, I'd like to welcome you to the power of simplicity. Subscribe to our channel for the best and quickest tips, tricks, and hacks that will improve your life's quality. Like and subscribe if you want to see more beneficial videos. Make sure to click on the bell for notifications. Here are 6 of the most common mistakes that you might make while exercising. Number 1. Your warm-up isn't enough. Warming up is very important. Stretching and running in place aren't pointless. They prepare your muscles and tendons for the workout since they make them more flexible and less prone to any injuries. In addition, it accelerates your heart rate a bit, making your blood flow faster and will improve your performance. If you didn't care about warming up, you're more likely going to feel sore the next day. Subsequently, it prevents you from training. Even if you're warming up correctly, the chances are you aren't giving you enough time for a warm-up. A minute of fast walking with your arms flaring isn't enough for an hour of workout. Stretch your limbs in all directions, walk or run in place for a while, and yes, flare those arms. There's no specific time for warming up. You'll know that you're ready when you start to sweat. Number 2. You should either do cardio or weights, not both. Let's say that your goal is to lose extra weight. Who needs to lift weights for that, right? A healthy scheduled diet with some cardio every day will be enough. That's the right way to begin. Some might assume. Well, it's not. Jogging, cycling, or rowing are good at burning calories, but they do not build muscle. Muscles are important in helping to lose weight, even when you're resting. In order to tone your muscles, you'll need a lot of energy and nutrition, and your body will take the full benefits of them when you train your muscles. In case that you're old, you'll need more strength exercises to build your muscles. But listen, exercising and lifting weights won't be enough to tone your body. You need to get rid of the excess fat before you can get your muscles bigger. How? With cardio exercises. They allow you to lose an extra pound. Cardio will also help you with your strength exercises by improving your endurance. 3. You hurry. Most people expect to get in shape as soon as they start training, so they choose lifting weights bigger than their ability, which will eventually exhaust them and force them to stop. You will get reverse results if you keep doing this. The only thing that you will get is excruciating pain and fatigue the next day. So avoid this by taking it slow. Let your body adapt to a new schedule. And if you didn't get any serious exercise before, just begin with light weights and minutes of swimming or running while holding weights such as dumbbells or barbell. Do as many reps as possible with these exercises you feel more comfortable with. If you feel it's very easy to do a lot of rounds without taking a rest, add some weights on. As for cardio, do it non-stop until you feel tired and start to sweat. Keep an eye on your heart rate. Once it gets too high, you should stop. You should do your cardio in short batches, then switch it with weightlifting. After that, you will notice that you can run, swim, or roll for a longer period of time. Number 4. You ignore the form. So now that you've finished both your warm-ups and cardio exercises, it's time to start strength exercises. You picked up a barbell and oh no, your back is crooked. That's totally wrong. Well, what about chin-ups? Do you keep your body balanced? The proper posture is very important when it comes to boosting your endurance and shaping your body. If you do the exercises incorrectly, you won't only prevent yourself from getting the wished results, but you also put your health in danger. For example, if you arch your back in the deadlift exercise, you will put much stress on your lower back, and one day you'll sleepily bend yourself to tie your shoes and you won't be able to strengthen your back up again. For chin-up exercises, you snape your way up over the bar, but you won't train the required muscles. The main muscle you focus on this exercise are your shoulders and back, so you have to keep your body still to work them out correctly. Cardio may have some tricks too. Every exercise has its do's and don'ts, even simple exercises like running. So, you should do some research about the proper form before you begin any exercise. For example, when you jog, you have to stay away from the hard surfaces and wear good shoes for running. Otherwise, the shock from the constant impact might stretch your back and knees too much. Number 5. You don't drink water. Before you shut the video down, I'm not being Captain Obvious here. You all know that being hydrated is so important, but you have to know that you should only drink water. A popular misconception for beginner gym goers is that sport drinks help you get in shape faster, and that's absolutely wrong. These drinks contain a lot of sugar and additives that only help professional athletes to recover after a tough training session. So since you're not professional yet, these sugars will only add extra weights to you. Fruit juices, smoothies, protein drinks are the same as sports drinks. They contain sugar and additives. Moreover, your body considers these drinks as food. So when you drink a cup of orange juice, it's like you ate it. However, pure water without anything else will get your body perfectly hydrated. Number 6. You ignore the professional advice. I'm not talking about the recommendations that you usually find on the internet, but the personal ones. So, if you're new to an exercise, you may get confused by various tips on the internet. Even if you think you have the most trusted source of information on the internet, you can't rely on it. Paying for personal training might seem a bit over, but at least you'll be sure that you're doing everything correctly. We finished our workout for today. Tell us if you know any mistakes that should be avoided in the comment section below. Did you do any of them before? Let us know. Keep me updated on whether these tips worked for you or not. Don't forget to give this video a like and share with your friends, and click the subscribe button to harness the power of simplicity.